Hey there, food enthusiasts! Are you tired of spending hours chopping vegetables by hand? Want to make your meal prep faster and more efficient without sacrificing counter space? Today, I'm sharing my extensive hands-on experience with the best mini food processors available. After months of rigorous testing in my kitchen, I've ranked these compact powerhouses to help you find your perfect match. 8. KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Mini Food Chopper. During my extensive testing period, this KitchenAid model has proven itself as a reliable kitchen companion. The 3.5 cup work bowl is perfectly sized for small households, offering enough capacity for most daily tasks without overwhelming your counter space. What truly impressed me was its whisper-quiet operation, a rare find in this category. The dual speed settings provide precise control, with the lower speed perfect for controlled chopping and the higher speed excelling at pureeing. The drizzle basin deserves special mention. It's revolutionized my homemade dressings and sauces. I've made countless batches of perfect mayonnaise, vinaigrettes, and other emulsified sauces. The BPA-free work bowl features clear measurement markings, which I've found invaluable for precise recipes. The stainless steel blade has maintained its sharpness even after months of regular use, handling everything from delicate herbs to tough nuts with consistent results. During my long-term testing, I've particularly appreciated the dishwasher-safe components, which make cleanup a breeze. The compact design allows it to fit easily in any cabinet, yet it's sturdy enough to handle regular use. The locking blade system ensures safe operation, while the pour spout helps transfer processed ingredients without mess. 7. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. After putting this processor through its paces, I can confidently say it's a versatile performer. The 3-cup bowl strikes an ideal balance between size and functionality, making it perfect for small to medium batch processing. The auto-reversing Smart Power Blade is a game-changer. One edge chops soft ingredients while the other grinds harder items, delivering consistent results every time. What sets this model apart is its precision. During my testing, I found it excels at both fine chopping and coarse grinding. The simple 2-button control panel offers precise chopping or grinding options, and the lightweight design makes it easy to move around the kitchen. The dishwasher-safe parts have maintained their quality even after numerous cleaning cycles, and the non-slip base keeps it steady during operation. I've been particularly impressed with its ability to handle both wet and dry ingredients. Whether I'm making pesto, chopping nuts, or preparing breadcrumbs, the results are consistently excellent. The sealed bowl prevents any leakage during operation, and the spatula included helps scrape down the sides effectively. 6. Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop. During my extensive testing, the Ninja Food Chopper has proven to be a powerhouse in a compact package. The 200-watt motor handles everything from soft herbs to ice with impressive consistency. The ergonomic power pod design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the one-touch pulsing provides precise control over the chopping process. What really sets this model apart is its versatility. The 16-ounce capacity bowl is perfect for small to medium tasks, and the storage lid means you can prep and store ingredients in the same container. The anti-spill splash guard has been a lifesaver during testing, preventing any mess on my countertops. The stainless steel blades have remained remarkably sharp even after processing harder ingredients like nuts and frozen fruit. I've found the non-slip base particularly useful during operation, as it keeps the unit stable even when processing tougher ingredients. The bowl, blade, and storage lid are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. The compact design allows for easy storage, yet it's powerful enough to handle most kitchen tasks efficiently. 5. OXO Good Grips One-Stop Chop Manual Food Processor. This manual processor has been a surprising standout in my testing lineup. The innovative pull-cord design generates impressive power without electricity, making it perfect for outdoor cooking or power outages. During camping trips, I've found it invaluable for preparing fresh ingredients without access to power. The non-slip base provides excellent stability during use, and the sealed lid prevents any splashing or leakage. The measuring markings on the bowl are precise and clearly visible, making it easy to portion ingredients accurately. What truly impresses me is the level of control you get with the manual operation. I can achieve any texture from coarse to fine with precise control. The blade design is particularly clever, creating a continuous chopping motion that results in even, consistent results. The comfortable grip makes it easy to use for extended periods, and all parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The storage is compact, and the durable construction suggests it will last for years of regular use. 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. After months of testing, this 350-watt processor has become my go-to for everyday chopping tasks. The stack and press design is brilliantly simple yet effective, making it easy to achieve consistent results. The 3-cup capacity strikes the perfect balance between counter space and functionality, handling family-sized preparations with ease. The patented blade design creates a continuous flow pattern that ensures even chopping every time. The oil dispenser on top has revolutionized my homemade dressings and marinades. It allows for perfect emulsification while the processor is running. The cord storage feature is a thoughtful addition that keeps my counter neat when the unit isn't in use. During my testing, I've been particularly impressed with the durability of the components. The stainless steel blades have maintained their sharpness, and the bowl shows no signs of wear despite frequent use. The dishwasher-safe parts may clean up a breeze, and the safety lock system ensures worry-free operation. 3. Oster 3-Cup Mini Food Chopper. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this processor delivers exceptional performance in a compact package. The 250-watt motor provides plenty of power for most kitchen tasks, while the one-touch pulse control offers precise control over texture. The 3-cup work bowl is perfectly sized for small to medium batch processing, making it ideal for everyday use. What really stands out is the dual-direction blade technology. During my testing, I noticed how effectively it prevents food from sticking to the sides of the bowl, ensuring even chopping every time. The wide feed chute is particularly convenient, reducing the need for pre-cutting ingredients and saving valuable prep time. The non-slip feet have proven invaluable during operation, keeping the unit stable even when processing tougher ingredients. The safety lock system provides peace of mind, only allowing operation when everything is properly assembled. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. 2. BLACK+DECKER 3-Cup Electric Food Chopper. This model has consistently impressed me with its reliability and performance. The improved blade assembly creates more efficient cutting action, while the one-touch pulsing button provides precise control over chopping. During my testing, I found it particularly effective at handling nuts and hard cheeses without straining the motor. The Stay-Sharp blade system has maintained its edge remarkably well, even after months of regular use. The built-in oil holes are perfectly positioned for making emulsified sauces and dressings. The safety interlock system ensures safe operation, while the non-slip base keeps the unit steady during use. The 3-cup capacity bowl features convenient measurement markings, and the lid-mounted blade makes for easy cleaning and storage. The cord wrap feature helps keep my counter tidy, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. 1. Braun EasyPrep Mini Food Processor. This top-ranked processor has earned its position through exceptional performance and innovative design. The German-engineered chopping system consistently produces even results, while the variable speed control allows for precise texture adjustment. During my extensive testing, I've been particularly impressed by its quiet operation compared to other models. The unique blade design creates a vortex effect that pulls food down for even processing, eliminating the need for frequent scraping. The 3-cup capacity is perfect for most tasks, and the sealed bowl prevents any leakage during operation. The precision of the controls allows for everything from rough chopping to fine mincing with excellent consistency. The durability of the components sets this model apart from the competition. After months of testing, the blades remain sharp, the bowl shows no signs of wear, and the motor continues to perform flawlessly. The thoughtful design extends to the cord storage and non-slip feet, making this processor both practical and reliable for daily use. Final thought. That concludes our comprehensive look at the best mini food processors. After months of hands-on testing, each of these models has proven its worth in different ways. Whether you're a daily cook or occasional user, there's a perfect processor here to match your needs. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.